Indeed, we see that the figures have grown regarding the tourism that has come to Saba and Station. When we talk about tourism, we mean visitors that have visited the islands that are not registered on the islands, and also visitors that are not registered on the other Dutch islands like Bonaire, Saba and Station. Visitors may also be people that come for business purposes, so it's good to clarify that. What we see in the figures is that the amount of visitors has grown in the first half of 2022 with 1.5 times more compared to the year before. This counts for both Saba and for Station. These figures that we have analyzed are only figures from the visitors that have arrived by air. We haven't taken the figures of the visitors that have arrived by sea. We haven't taken those into consideration, but we have those figures available on our website and on our data bank. We have those figures. We see the developments, especially on Saba. We see that the visitors coming from the European Netherlands, the European part of the Netherlands, have grown. Compared to the years before. So we see like 26% of all the visitors coming to Saba in the first half of 2022 are from the European Netherlands.